In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Airtable with Notion using Zapier. This integration allows you to streamline your workflow by connecting these two powerful tools seamlessly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to, quote, notion.so. This is the official website for Notion. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the process. Once you are on the Notion homepage, open a new tab in your browser and go to, quote, zapier.com. Zapier is an automation tool that connects different apps and services. If you do not have an account, you may need to sign up, which can take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After accessing Zapier, look for the Create button, which is usually located at the top of the page. Click on it to start creating a new Zap. This will take you to the Zap creation screen where you can set up your next find and click on the Zaps tab. This section allows you to view all your existing Zaps and create new ones. You should see a button labeled Make a Zap at the top right corner. Clicking this will take you to the Zap setup interface. In the search bar, type in highlight to find the right trigger event. Once you see the option, click on it to proceed. This action is crucial as it defines what will trigger the integration between Airtable and Notion. After selecting the trigger, click on Start Building. This will take you to the next step in the Zap setup, where you can configure the details of your integration. Allow a moment for the interface to load fully. You will now need to select Notion as the application to connect. Click on the corresponding button to initiate the connection process. If prompted, you may need to log into your Notion account to authorize the integration. Once connected, look for the option labeled Trigger Event and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu where you can select the specific event that will trigger actions in Notion. Select Updated Content in Data Source Item from the available options. This choice ensures that any updates in Airtable will be reflected in Notion. After making your selection, confirm your choice by clicking the appropriate button. Next, you will find an option for New Data Source Item. Click on this to specify that you want to create a new entry in Notion whenever new data is added in Airtable. Now, find the Account section and click on it to select your Notion account. If you have not connected your account yet, you will see an option to connect Notion. Click this to complete the connection. After connecting Notion, return to the Zap setup and select Edge Airtable as your next application. This step is essential for linking your Airtable data to Notion effectively. In the next step, click on Action Event, which will allow you to define what action should occur in Airtable when the trigger from Notion happens. Choose Create Record from the options provided. Following this, click on Create Base. This will enable you to set up a new base in Airtable that will be connected with your Notion integration. Next, click on Account, again to ensure that your Airtable account is connected. If not, click on Connect Airtable to complete this step. Now, navigate back to Notion by going to Tasks, Tracker, All Tasks. This is where you will manage the tasks that will be synced between Airtable and Notion. In the Task Tracker, click on the Kai section to add a new task. Type in the relevant details that you want to sync with Airtable. After entering your information, proceed to click on Highlight again to ensure that the information is properly recorded. This will help maintain consistency between the two platforms. Continue this process by clicking on the necessary links and highlights to ensure that all relevant data is captured. Each click should be followed by entering or confirming the details as needed. Finally, navigate through the various tasks in your tracker, ensuring that you click on By Status, My Tasks and Tasks Tracker to verify that everything has been set up correctly and is functioning as intended. Once you've completed all these steps, your integration between Airtable and Notion should be fully operational. Make sure to test the setup by adding a new record in Airtable and checking if it reflects in Notion. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.